Baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise down a back road, blowing stop signs through the middle every little farm town with you and this brand new Chevy with a lift kit would look a hell of a lot better with you up in it. So baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze Guitar Lessons. I'm going to teach you guys how to play three different picking patterns that are going to be super useful for you, just as for beginners, okay? So these are some of the first ones I learned, and I still use them today all the time. So what I was just doing just now was I was just showing you how to like take a really cool song by Florida Georgia Line and to make it like slow it down and make it really pretty. I actually played that at an open mic night with my buddy, and we did that. We played the whole thing normal, and then we played, well, the first 3/4 of it. And then when we got to the bridge, we slowed it down and we did that. And sang it really slow and soft, and everyone like loved it. I heard people saying, because we recorded it, and people were saying, oh, that last part was so pretty. So you're gonna be able to do stuff like that with this, okay? It'll also just help you get better at playing guitar and get better at the finger picking, which can be really difficult for beginners. So please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials in the future. Let me know if you have comments or questions. And hit the thumbs up button just because I really like it. Yeah, and I'll do my best to get to your to the requests that you guys have and stuff. So if you want to learn other things, let me know. Okay, so the one that I was just doing, I'm going to show you. So the capo doesn't matter for picking. I just have it on because that's where you have it for cruise. So what you're going to do though, so for a lot of these, you can pluck with, so you'll do like your thumb, you pluck the bass note, all right, and then you use these two fingers a ton. Okay, so you're going to pluck with your thumb the E string, and then whatever the lower notes are. And you can kind of fiddle around with that a little bit. If you wanted, you could try that. So you could even do it that way. So yeah, now you can plug whatever ones you want, but the point is you're gonna use your thumb and then you're gonna use pointer, middle finger, okay? So you're gonna do, I'm doing E, and then I'm doing G, B, G, okay? Now, when I switch to the D chord, I'm doing the A string, still doing a bass note, and you could still do this one. I would just kind of fiddle around with that, but it's more showing you how to get used to playing these. So you're gonna do, so then I'm doing A, G, B, G. Okay, so you're just doing thumb, pointer, middle, pointer. Thumb, pointer, middle, pointer, okay? Try and get this really close so you can see. You can see how much prettier that makes the song sound. I'm not saying you can improve the Cruise by Florida Georgia Line, because that's an awesome song, but like that's just one way you can do it. And if you, like I said, you can actually try plucking different strings too, because then you could do the E, the big E, and then you could do B, E, B. Or you could even try just starting from the G, and you could just do the bottom 3 strings. Baby, you a song, you make me wanna roll my windows down and cruise down a black road bone. Okay, I think it said black road. I think it's back road actually. Anyway, so that's one that you can do. Okay, it's just thumb, pointer, middle, pointer. Okay, thumb, pointer, middle, pointer. Okay, so that's a super easy one. Okay. So another one you can do, and I'm going to take the capo off for this, but you can do, so this one is a little bit different because you're going to do your thumb, and then you're going to use both of those at the same time. So you're going to do, like I'm doing an A chord right here, all right, but you'll notice with my thumb, I'm not actually even picking anything that my pointer finger is on. So I'm plucking the A string, and then I'm going to do both of those, right? I'm going to do G and B at the same time. So you do, and you can slap. Thumb slap, thumb finger 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 So that's the one that's very easy. So instead of doing thumb, pointer, middle, pointer, you're doing thumb and pointer finger at the same time and then slap, okay? I mean, you could do the other one too. All right, and you'll get to the point where you can do it faster. Start out trying it slow. Okay, so that one's very easy as well. Now the third one, and I'm going to show you. So for this one, I'm starting with an A minor chord, right? But what I'm doing is, it's very similar, but I'm doing thumb. So you're doing, okay? So what you're going to do is thumb, pointer, middle, pointer, middle, okay? All right, so you're ending with the pointer, thumb, pointer, middle, pointer, middle, pointer, okay? Thumb, pointer, middle, pointer, middle, pointer. Okay? I'm sure that's probably kind of hard to see. I'm trying to do my best to show it to you. So you do. All right. I'm trying to play this like it's like changing it up, but. Anyway, so what you're going to do with that one is, remember you're doing thumb. This one's probably the hardest of the three. Thumb, pointer, and I'm alternating strings as I go down. This is actually from a song by Brand New. It was really popular. Well, I don't know if the song was popular, but I loved the song in high school and college. So you do thumb, pointer, middle, pointer, middle, pointer. Okay, so that's when you can use two. You can play that with any chord progression, with any chords, I mean. Okay, so you can do it with anything. And I'm playing it really fast, but you can play it slow. You can do it like moderate. You can do it kind of any way that you want to. So let me know if you have any questions or anything. It's been a lot of fun teaching these to you guys. Picking is a lot of fun. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this, or if you want me to just stick to songs and stuff. All right, thanks guys. Bye.